Alright YouTube, I found something for you today in the middle of this lake. Now this isn't a how-to or a skiing adventure. This is not a place where you're going to see a lot of snow. We're in the high desert of Arizona. I think this is a lake. Yeah, I don't know what it's called. It's a lake though. It's called Lake Pleasant, by the way. And I found something floating at the middle of this, and you are not going to believe it. Let's go find it. Alright YouTube, some of you might be guessing or thinking, what is this? What has been found in the middle of this lake? Well, you'll see my friends have gotten here a bit sooner. No, it's not a lake monster. It's not a nuclear testing site from the bygone Cold War. It's a floating toilet. Just right here, middle of the lake. Not near anywhere. That is good city planning. Thank you, lake. What's the name of this lake? All right, Lake my ass. Thank you for putting this toilet here. Now I know you guys come to some guy for the most groundbreaking content ever, and I wouldn't just show you the outside of this floating bathroom. I'll show you the inside. Ugh. Ooh, danger. This is a dangerous bathroom, boys and girls. Oh goodness, this is a danger. I'm not even gonna show you that. That's disgusting. That is disgusting, Arizona. This is a toxic wasteland. Whew. You don't want to see that. Those are full. Let's just say that. All right, let's get back in the kayak. We made it. All right, now let's go explore the beautiful nature and get away from this absolute toxic dump floating in the middle of a lake. Oh, it's not deep enough. It's not deep enough. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you buy Amazon water shoes. Ah, my paddle. Right? So cool. Thank you, fire department, for cleaning that bathroom. Now, I'm not sure if this GoPro is waterproof, so I hope this video blows up. Oh my gosh, little handling done it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a long-legged bird in this bush, just walking. That's a high-quality content you come here for. Bird watch. Bird watch on MSNBC. Tune in daily. Easy peasy. Free hat. Trill? Does that say trill? Yeah, this type of garbage does not belong in the lake, people. There ain't no trill in this lake. But actually this lake is absolutely trill. I don't know if trill's good or bad, so. If trill is good, then this lake is trill. If trill is bad, this lake is not trill, because this lake is cool. And we can see just past the trill hat, that is Jackass Cove. Let's get in there. Well, we found a floating nuclear waste dump that they call a restroom here in Arizona, high standards. A skeleton of an ancient lake monster that's probably just a catfish, and a trill hat. And I feel like a guy named Trill, or a guy who wears a trill hat, would definitely just do like this hand signal, something like that, you know. Well, it was a fun day. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, any questions, thoughts, future content. We're gonna go eat some Subway sandwiches.
Goodbye, YouTube.
Goodbye, YouTube. Here, a land toilet. Who'd have thought Arizona's got water and land toilets? Crazy. And remember, guys, be trill.